love quick and easy recipes that only take a few ingredients and come together in minutes. Today we're using the sweet cookware set to make spaghetti aglio e olio. It's spaghetti with garlic and oil. This recipe is fantastic, it's quick, and it's delicious. So, welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So this is a sweet cookware. It's C-I-W-E-T-E. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I call it sweet, right? So this is a 10-piece set. It is tri-ply, meaning that it is made from one sheet that's bonded with different materials instead of it having a disc on the bottom. This is like the ideal way that you will have stainless steel cookware. It does have this neat copper color on the outside. It's not copper cookware, but they've colored the stainless steel on the outside to give you that beautiful look of copper without the maintenance, right? So this set comes with this nice 6-quart stock pot. It comes with an 8 and 10-inch skillet. It's a neat set because it's very saucepan heavy. So here it comes with 2 3-quart saucepans. This is the wider one, and you can see that beautiful copper color. This is the other size. It's a little narrower it won't reduce as fast in this one. And then we also have a 2-quart saucepan. So this is a great set for the holidays because I always run low on saucepans. This has 3 of them in here, so that's fantastic. If you want to take a full look at this, I'll put a link up here and in the description of the unboxing where we sort of geeked over this cookware. I'll also put links down in the description so you can check it out. So I just want to thank Sweet for sending this. And we're trying this cookware out today for the first time. So we are making spaghetti with garlic and oil. It's so easy to make. They call it kind of a late night dish because when you've been out, maybe at the club, come home, and it has very few ingredients. You can put it together in minutes, and it's fantastic. So let me go grab my ingredients, and I'll be right back. Okay, we have the 6-quart stock pot full of water with a rolling boil. These pans are pretty beautiful. I posted a picture in the Facebook group and everybody was like, what? Look at those pans. So we're going to put a little olive oil in here. I'm just going to do that to keep the noodles from sticking. Some people do that, some people don't. So we need to season this like the sea. This is the only time really that you can get a super good seasoning on your pasta. So I have a 1-pound box of some spaghetti. I'm gonna go ahead and cook up this whole thing. Woo! And this will go down as it cooks. Get my boil back. So over here I have the fry pan, a skillet, and this is such an easy recipe. I'm going to go ahead and turn my stove on over medium heat. I have some olive oil here. We're going to take about a 1/2 cup. This thing, the lines are sort of going away off it, so it's hard for me to see it very well. But let this heat up a little bit. So our pasta is down in the water, and we're going to be cooking this to the package directions. So this cooks pretty quickly, and by the time this is done, this will be done. So we're going to go ahead. I have literally like 10 cloves of garlic here that I peeled and sliced. So that's how they look when they're sliced. You can use as much or as little as you want. Don't use the kind from the package that they're already peeled or the kind that are already crushed. Don't do that to you. Don't do that to the dish. Let me turn this down. This is going to flavor our garlic. You don't want to burn the garlic. I'm going to turn this down. So that garlic is giving our oil some nice flavor. Looks good. So those are looking pretty good. I'm going to put some crushed red pepper in here. Give us a little bit of, not spicy, but flavor, right? And I have some chopped parsley. I have kind of a bunch of it. I'm going to put some in here so it will cook, and I'm going to leave some for fresh. Ooh, that looks really good. It's going to flavor that oil nicely. And that's how easy the sauce is. Sauce, per se. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, and it's ready for when the pasta is ready. So as soon as that happens, we'll be back. Okay, so this is done, and we're going to strain it. I have this nifty bowl. It has a strainer and a bowl underneath, so we'll strain it into that. Ooh, it's hot. Splashing on me. There we go. Okay, so I'm pouring the pasta back into our stock pot here so we can dress it. So we're going to dress it with our beautiful sauce that we made. Here's our olive oil, garlic, red pepper, and parsley. We're going to go ahead and put that in there. Right? We're going to, let me give this a quick stir. Wow, that looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. And I'm going to turn this stove on here a little bit on low. I'm just going to go ahead and scoop a couple scoops of pasta water in here to loosen it up a little bit. Wow, that looks really good. This is gonna give us a little bit of thickening on that too. Whew, that water was hot. I'm gonna put the rest of our parsley in here. I'm also gonna put some fresh ground black pepper. And a little salt. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a stir. Wow, that looks beautiful. Let me give it a little taste. More pepper. Let me go grab some plates. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and plate this up, and no, I'm not a pasta plater. I'm not good at this. Whatever, right? Got a big pile for Eric. We're gonna give him some Parmesan Reggiano. if I can shred.
That's looking pretty good.
I'm not really a cheese shredder.
That's fine, Dave.
Looking good?
It looks great.
And I'm a non-cheese eater, so mine will just be like that. Yum. Time to take a taste. Okay, we got our spaghetti with garlic and oil. This is the late night snack, right? It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Nice garlicky flavor. How is it with the cheese? Because I can't have the cheese.
It gives it a little bit more flavor than what yours is.
Yeah.
So
this is a really simple dish. There's hardly any ingredients. It's easy to put together and it's delicious. A lot of garlic flavor. The red pepper sort of gives it a little kick. It's fantastic.
But the garlic's not overbearing though.
No, the garlic's not overbearing. You can make it overbearing or you can make it light, however you want it. So in terms of the cookware, it worked great. It came to a boil really fast. I was able to make the pasta inside the same bowl and put the pasta water back in there. The little fry pan worked fantastic. If you want to take a look at this cookware, what's interesting about it is we have that copper color on the outside, but you don't have the maintenance of the copper, right? And it's absolutely beautiful. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Sweet for sending this. I'll put links for this down in the description. I'm off to finish my dinner. Thanks for joining me.
Refill, Garcon.
He's ready for some more.